When I find good hair, you guys know that I have to put you on. This human hair crochet is the one. All the details are going to be in the description box below, so make sure you check this out. What makes this hair more special is the thread that it comes with. It has a little thread at the center, and I find that helps the hair lay flatter and stay more secure when you loop it. Here's a quick look at my braiding pattern. Honestly, nothing fancy, just a regular crochet base. I kept the cornrows pretty loose because I find that it helps the hair form more naturally and just look more natural in general. Of course, I had to pause mid-style to breastfeed my smallie. #MomLife. Anyway, I used about 3.5 packs for this look, and honestly, I feel like you can get away with 3 and still get a full look. After installing, I mixed a little bit of conditioner with some water. I spread it on the hair, and I followed up right after with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Honestly, chef's kiss, this combo eats every time. I was so happy with how bouncy and shiny the hair felt after doing that. But anyway, once it was dried, I just went ahead, I fluffed up the hair, and I also trimmed a little of the straggly ends just to make the hair look more nice. I didn't trim too much just in case I wanted to use this hair again, and I genuinely love how this turned out. Compared to the braids I would get for $400, this is definitely more affordable, it's reusable, and I feel like it's a better bang for my buck. And like I said, the link is below.